Example 4. 70 trees were planted by Parth and 90 trees were planted by Pradnya on the occasion of tree plantation week. Out of these, 25 trees were planted by both of them together. How many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya? तर Parth has planted 70 trees, Pradnya has planted 90 trees, and out of these 25 plants are planted by both. Then here we have to find out the trees planted by Parth or Pradnya. So first we will write the set. Let A be the set that plant planted by Parth. So Parth had planted 70 trees, so n of A, number of A will be equal to 70. B be the set that planted by Pradnya. So number of plant planted by Pradnya are 90. So here number of B will be equal to 90. Then we have given 25 trees were planted by both. So here A intersection B will be the set of trees planted by both. So number of A intersection B are 25. Now we have to find out the trees planted by Parth or Pradnya. So we have to find out here A union B. A union B be the set of trees planted by Parth or Pradnya. Now write the formula. Number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So number of A is 70 plus number of B 90 minus 25. So this will be equal to 90 plus 70, this will be 160, 160 minus 25. So this will be 160 minus 20, that is 140, 135. So trees planted by Parth or Pradnya. So trees planted by Parth or Pradnya were 135. Here in example 5 we have given if n of A equal to 20, n of B equal to 28, number of A union B is given, that is 36, and we have to find out number of A intersection B. So write the formula. Number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Put the values. Here we have 36 equal to number of A 20 plus number of B is 28 minus number of A intersection B. Here we have to find out number of A intersection B. So this is 36 equal to 20 plus 28, that is 48 minus number of A intersection B. We will take this term in left hand side. So number of A intersection B will be equal to 48 and 36 in right hand side. So this will be minus. So number of A intersection B equal to 8 minus 6, that is 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So number of A intersection B is 12. Here in example 6 we have given in a class 8 students out of 28 have a dog as their pet animal. Out of 28, 8 students have dog as the pet animal, 6 students have cat as their pet animal, 10 students have dog and cat both. Then how many students do not have dog or cat as their pet animal? तर नेहमीच्या उदाहरणापेक्षा हे उदाहरण थोडं वेगळं आहे. ॲक्च्युली इथं जे दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला 8 स्टुडंट जे आहेत त्यांना डॉग हा पेट ॲनिमल आहे, 6 स्टुडंट त्यांची कॅट ही पेट ॲनिमल आहे. आता इंटरसेक्शनमध्ये काय असतं, आपल्याला दोन्ही जे असतात त्यांची जी नंबर असतो किंवा संख्या असते ती काय असते, यापेक्षा कमी असते. आता इथं डॉग 8 स्टुडंट हॅव डॉग ॲज पेट ॲनिमल, 6 स्टुडंट हॅव कॅट ॲज पेट ॲनिमल अँड 10 स्टुडंट हॅव डॉग अँड कॅट. तर इथं जर पाहिलं आपण तर 8 स्टुडंट हॅव ओनली कॅट and 6 students have only cat as pet animal and these 10 students are another 10 student. हे जर आपण व्हेन डायग्राम न पाहिलं तर आपण इझिली हे काय करू शकतो, समजून घेऊ शकतो. आपण जर सेट ए घेतला, दिस इज सेट ए, दिस इज सेट बी, दिस इज ॲज डॉग ॲज पेट ॲनिमल, दिस इज ॲज cat as pet animal. So here we can write, here are 8 students, here are 6 students, and here in intersection there are 10 students. So to take the number of students have either pet animal, दोन्हीपैकी एक किंवा दोन्ही जर आपल्याला दोन्ही पेट ॲनिमल असणाऱ्यांची जर संख्या काढायची तर आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, या टोटलची सम आपल्याला इथे घ्यावी लागेल. सो 10 + 6 + 8 and this will be the total number of students who have either pet animal, and then we have to subtract this total from 28. So here we will take, let A be the set of student having dog as pet animal. So here number of A will be equal to 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10, so this will be 18. Then B be the set of students having cat as pet animal. So here number of B will be equal to 6 plus 10 or 10 plus 6. So this will be equal to 16. Here A intersection B, the set of student having both as pet animal. So here we have number of A intersection B will be 10, and the set A union B. A union B will be the set of students having either pet animal. So here we have to find out first number of A union B. So we will use the formula number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So this will be number of A 18 plus 16. 18 plus 16 minus 10. So this will be 34 minus 10. So this will be equal to 24. So here out of 28 there are 24 students have dog or cat as a pet animal. So number of students have no pet animal. So number of students do not have pet animal. So this will be the total number of students 28 minus 24, and our answer is 4. There are 4 students, they do not have any pet animal. Here we have to represent the union of two sets by Venn diagram. First example is given, that is set A is given containing 3, 4, 5, 7. Set B one, 4, 8. So to show the union of two sets by Venn diagram, we will first find the common element between two sets. So here is 3, here is no 3, 4. 4 is common in both. Again 5, there is no 5, 7, no. There is one and only one element, that is 4 is a common element. So we will draw the set A by circle, another set by again circle, and then we will show the union of two sets. So we will draw first circle, then we have one common element, so we will draw another circle again. This is our set A, this is our set B. We have 4 as a common, so in intersection we will write 4. Then remaining elements are written 3, 5, 7. So here we will write 3, 5, 7. So A will contain 3, 4, 5, 7, and this in set B there will be 1, 8. 1, 4 and 8. So this is A union B. This is the set A union B. This is set A, set B, and this total is set A union B. Second example, we have given set P containing A, B, C, E, F. A, B, C, E, F. Set Q L, M, N, E, B. L, M, N, E, B. First we will find out the common element in both the set. So here we have A, here is no A, B, here is B, so we will tick. C, there is no C, E, here E is common in both. Again F, there is no. So here are two elements are common in both the set. So draw the two circles. This is set P, this is set Q. This is our set P, this is our set Q. This is intersection of P and Q, which will contain B and E. So here we will read B, E. Then remaining elements are written A, C, F. Here we will A, C and F. Then here L, M, N, L, M and N. And so this is our A union B. Number 3, we have set X such that X is a prime number between 80 and 100. X is prime number. Between 80 and 100. Then Y is a set of all Y such that Y is an odd number. Between 90 and 100. So we will write the first. We have to write the set X such that X is a prime number between 80 and 100. So by list method we can write set X as, this will contain all the prime numbers between 80 and 100. So these are 83, 89, 93 and 97. Then we will write the set Y. Y is an odd number between 90 and 100. 90 आणि 100 मध्ये जे ऑड नंबर्स आहेत ते आपण लिहू. सो दिस विल बी 91, 93, 95, 97, 99. So we have set X and set Y. Now we will write the union of these two sets. First we will find the common between both. 83, here is no 83, 89, here is no 89, 93, here is also 93, 97, here is 97. So draw the two circles. This is our set X, this is our set Y. Write the common element in intersection, that is 93, 97. Again write remaining element 83, 89 here. Again remaining elements of Y, 91, 95, 99. And this is our X union Y.